Hi, I'm Agatha Yu. 恭喜发财，恭喜发财. It's been a long time since I've uploaded any videos on my YouTube channel. Today is the 7th day of Chinese New Year. I've just fried some birthday noodles and I've made some videos and photos which I will upload on my YouTube channel on the 15th day of Chinese New Year, which is Chap Gourmet. I've been a person with disability for over 20 years, and many times people ask me, Agatha, how do you manage on your own? How do you do this? How do you do that? Are you able to do this? Are you able to do that? So I've decided that I'm going to restart my YouTube channel by posting videos or photos of what I'm doing in my daily life, like cooking, baking, going grocery shopping, or simply going out, so that I hope that I can be an inspiration to many people, especially people with disabilities, because I do have friends who are physically challenged who ask me the same questions as an able-bodied person would do. They can't figure out how I, do things which I'm doing right now. So I believe that by posting all these videos and photos, I'll be able to motivate them to be like me, to be self-sustainable, to be independent. And I do hope that I will be able to inspire more people as well. Of course, it would be great that, once in a while we do get help here and there. I think that's it for all now. Thank you very much. I'm a very impromptu person, so this is always a one-take video. Thank you very much. Hope to get your support soon by viewing my YouTube channel and also subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. 恭喜發財，恭喜發財。